Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an API key, supported image formats, and network access. Next, set your key as an environment variable so calls authenticate securely. Once done, convert a sample image to PNG or JPEG and ensure 300 dpi for best OCR results. Then pick the correct Mistral OCR endpoint and set a conservative timeout, because long files need more processing time. Finally, run a small, quick test request to validate authentication and basic response structure before proceeding. You now construct the detailed request, either multi-part /form data for binary upload or JSON with base 64 encoded image, and include language and layout hints so the model knows what to expect. Make sure to set max pages and a confidence threshold to filter weak results. Also specify page segmentation mode if available. Once the request is sent, choose streaming for large jobs or synchronous for quick scans. Then parse the JSON response to extract words, bounding boxes, and confidences to map OCR output back. You finish by post-processing OCR text, normalize whitespace, correct typical misreads, and apply rejects or language models for fixes. For production, batch files and implement retries with exponential backoff plus detailed logging so you can reprocess failures. Once results look good, save text, bounding boxes, and confidences to your data store. If things go wrong, check image DPI and noise levels, confirm API quota and rate limits, and then rerun the job with higher resolution or adjusted parameters to improve accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.